Hello, I'm Tashmia Bryant, and I chose to research oppressed Arab and Muslim Americans. Discrimination against these groups has existed for the longest, but reports of such abuses skyrocketed in the first 6 months after 9/11, fell in 2002, and have climbed again since the Iraq War began in 2003, and is continuously increasing. According to SecularMuslims.com, American Muslims guilty of nothing other than being Muslim rather than attack anyone have themselves been physically assaulted, mistreated, discriminated against, fired from their jobs, racially profiled, their mosques and businesses vandalized, their veiled women assaulted, spat on, and insulted with no end in sight. This is unacceptable. This is supposed to be America, the land of the free. Supposedly, American citizens are equal under law. American Muslims and Arabs receive constant harassment from law enforcement agencies, as well as detentions without charges and severely cruel mistreatment in jail, even if their crime was no more than overstaying their visa, and almost nothing is done about it. It'll take some time to change America's views, but we all can start treating each other with respect and dignity, no matter our race, religion, or class. Thank you.